G'day YouTube. So we've got another awesome goodie from BlitzWolf. This is the model BW-S7. Wonder what's inside. I already know. You're going to know by the time you read the video title as well. We have instruction book, user manual, and just it's like the equivalent of a sticker, I guess. 40 watt 5-port USB charging hub. So in here we have, it's in a bag as well. Let's rip into that. Alright, so we have quick charge 3 rated port up the top. Sorry for the shine. Tidy little unit, and 4 high powered 2.4 amp sockets. So no, you won't be able to read that. We've got 40 watt QC3 smart 5-port USB charger. Anything from 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Quick charge port can put out 3.6 to 6.5 volts at 3 amps, 6.5 to 9 volts at 2 amps, and 9 volts to 12 volts at 1.5 amps. I believe they use these to USB Type C, charge little laptops and things nowadays. And 5 volts, 4.4 amps out of the second rail, and up, so that's up to 2.4 amps per port maximum. So you'll get 2 of them. Alright, what else is in the box? We've got a cord. How long is the cord? About a metre. Plenty of length to get up onto a normal desk, I guess. Pin protector. Alright, wonder if this lights up or anything. No lights. If it says thank you for choosing BlitzWolf. I have to say, really impressed with their packaging and stuff. If you've seen my video on the BlitzWolf USB bank, you'll know what I mean. So that's the quick charge number 3 as well. Let's get the meter in here and see what it thinks. Okay, 5.3 volts plugged into the quick charge port. Let's then see what happens when we plug the BlitzWolf dock straight in to the charger. Okay, that's happily pushing 1.42 amps at 5.26 volts into that. Let's get something that's quick charge capable. Samsung Galaxy S6. It's 86% battery. Lock the screen so it goes into fast charge mode. 9.3 volts at 1.2, 1.4. Oh, it's pulsing. But as you can see, it's up at the 9 volt mark. I don't have anything to turn it up into 12 volts, unfortunately, but yeah, quite happily putting out some nice juice there. Let's try the other ports. Pushing about 1.16. Any faster with the screen off? Not really. Bit over 1 amp. That's probably more state of charge thing with the phone. Back into the BlitzWolf power bank. It's taking away about 1 amp. So I have the USB Type-C cable that the Samsung Galaxy S8 I'm using to film on runs. Let's plug that into the S8. That's giving me 5.15 volts at 1.18 amps. Let's go into the quick charge port. I don't think it'll make a great deal of difference when the screen is active, because it doesn't generally fast charge until the screen isn't. But quite happily putting out a bit over an amp into it. So let's see what happens when we connect the Samsung Galaxy S6 and the BlitzWolf USB bank together with a double. And we'll go quick charge. There you go. Just under 2.5 amps, about 2.5. We'll lock the screen. And it's smart enough to not go into quick charge mode. So that's in the quick charge port. Try this one up here. Not putting out quite as much. I believe this is part of the problem. I've never had anything put out 2.5 amps before, so it must be the grunt of the quick charge port that allowed it to do that. Yeah, as you can see, the voltage is pretty good. The current's fluctuating more because of the Samsung Galaxy there. But there you go. So that's it. Beautiful little unit. 18-month warranty. They claim. Weighs 300 grams. Pulls up to 1.2 amps at 100 to 240 volts. It's pretty wide open rating. But yeah, it's nice and small. You might be able to see the dimensions there. QR code for the BlitzWolf website, but there is a code for this and any other thing that I feature on my YouTube channel in the description down below. So nice and easy to find. I do get a kickback if you buy this product from banggood.com through my affiliate link. Helps the channel out and helps us test things so you don't have to test them and find out they're no good. But this is pretty happy with this. We'll do another test with, I might flatten all my power banks and plug 5 things into it and just do a temperature test, make sure it doesn't get hot. But yeah, that's the long and short of it for now, YouTube. Thanks heaps for watching. If you have any questions, drop them below. But this BlitzWolf stuff seems to be pretty high quality for its price point. If you click the link in the description, it'll take you to that so you can see what they're worth. I can't remember off the top of my head. I can't remember if it was US or Australian dollars that I've seen it in. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. There'll be playlists over here for you to watch more. Subscribe button over there. Rate, comment and subscribe. Thanks guys.